everyone, and welcome back to Toys with Voice. Today I'll be opening up this Pokémon Celebrations Collector's Chest. So let's open it up. And here we have these 3 promo cards. I've been waiting for them so long. And here we go. You can take a look at them. Ooh, Hydreigon, Mimikyu, Delta species, he's water type, and Blight Toxtricity, all 25th anniversary. We have these Battle Styles and Vivid Voltage. And then we have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Celebrations booster packs. First of all, let's check out the Vivid Voltage. I love Vivid Voltage. So here we go. Code card. So we have Puchaina, Charmander, ah, he's so cute. Chatot, that's a new one. A Joltik, a Cottony, and the Alga. So cool, right? Shiny. And at the end, Steelix V. Energy. Zebstrika. Oh! Coating Energy. And our Hero's Medal as the item. Let's put these aside. Now we're gonna open up Battle Styles. Sword and Shield. Here we go. Code card. Ooh. Gleemeow. Corphish. Scatterbug. Cubone. Murkrow. And Heatmore. Vivillon. Fire Energy, EXP Share, Paraglee, and the Tower of Darkness. Looks scary, right? And we can start with our celebrations. I'll choose this one. So we have Code Card. We start off with Dialga. Cosmoem. Luxray. Level X. Cool, isn't it? And Zamanzetavi. Next booster pack. So we start off with Ho-Oh, Lugia, and Rocket's Admin. Foil card. Zacian V. Looks cool, right? We have the Sword and Shield, Zacian and Zamanzeta. You can take a look. Sword, Shield. On to the next booster pack. We start off with Lugia, Cosmog, Palkia. Mew, it's so cute. It's cute, isn't it? On to the next booster pack. We start off with Weedle, Kyogre, Ho-Oh, Solgaleo. That's my favorite Pokemon. And the code card. On to the next booster pack. Groudon, my second favorite. Cosmog. Reshiram! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. This is cool. And our Flying Pikachu VMAX. Last booster pack. We start off with Reshiram, Cosmog, Dialga, and our cute Pikachu. That's all done with the cards. Let's clean up all the mess. We can take a look at the coin. Looks cool, right? And our code card. Now we should look at the rest of the chest. Pikachu tail stickers. More stickers. More stickers. Yeah, that's just stickers and let's get to the bottom of the stickers. Oh, a notepad. This might come in handy. And our Celebrations mini Pokemon binder. Let's put everything back in place. And we have our informational sheet that you can read. All about these 3 promo cards we got. Well, that's all for now. Goodbye.